We are able to create multiple Safari profiles, like personal, work, and school, then use them to separate your internet browsing into different categories. Each profile will have separate favorites, histories, tabs, and tab groups. We are able to add, edit, or remove a profile at any time. To create a new profile, we need to open Safari settings. So, I'll open the Settings app on the iPad. Scroll down, and we have a Profile section. When adding your first new profile, a default profile named Personal will be created with all the current settings, tabs, and bookmarks. Let's call this new profile Work and add an icon and color to it. Save, and we now have two profiles, Personal and Work. Just tap to adjust the name of either profile. I'm going to rename the default Personal profile to Home. Now back in Safari on the iPad, we have a new icon up in the toolbar. Tap, and we can switch between our profiles here. Tap on the Work profile, and we just have a single tab with a start page. We can also switch profiles from the sidebar on iPad. On iPhone, we can switch between profiles from a button at the top of the All Tabs screen. While in the Work profile, we can now start adding tabs, navigating to web pages, creating tab groups, and saving bookmarks. To remove a profile, open it in Safari settings and tap the Delete button. This will remove all the history, tabs, and bookmarks associated with the profile. Using profiles in Safari makes it easy to keep your work and personal browsing completely separate. Different bookmarks, history, tab groups, and cookies for each profile, all just a couple taps away. It's like having two browsers in one, and once you try it, there's no going back.